Hey guys, it's Lauren. Are you the kind of person who runs away when it's time to make a decision? Because I totally used to be that way. But I got to a point where I started to realize that I was losing control in bigger areas of my life as I was giving away smaller decisions. Things like where I wanted to eat, or what time I wanted to hang out with somebody. Things like that. Very small, subtle occurrences. Unfortunately, what that leads to is us giving away bigger decisions in our life. You know, we could end up in a house that we don't really want. We could end up driving a car that we don't really want because we're so influenced by society's standards and what everybody else tells us that we should be wanting, that at the end of the day, we wonder, where did I go wrong? Nothing's out of your control. And it's all in the baby steps, and that's something that I always practice, and it's something that I always preach. So when it comes time to make a decision, don't run away from it. Ask yourself instead how you want to feel in the end result. Because it's never about the thing, it's always about how that thing's going to make us feel. And what's the point of getting something just to fit in if it's not really gonna fulfill us in the end, you know? So say, for example, you're going to buy a new pair of shoes. Well, how do you want to feel when you put them on when you're going out? You know, you want to feel confident, empowered, you want to feel completely gorgeous, and you're like, bitch, I run this world. That's kind of how you want to feel, right? And as I'm saying those things, it makes me laugh, and it lights me up inside. I feel it in my chest, I feel it in my stomach area, and like obviously you can see it all over my face, and I can feel my face lighting up because my eyebrows do this really weird thing, and my eyes get really squinty. But those are all the things. So if you're going out and you try on 5 different pairs of shoes, but you don't really get anything from them, you know not to go with them. But when you try on that 6th pair and you get that lighting up in your eyes, get all crinkly and stuff, and you're super excited and you want to like snap your fingers and everything, then you know it's the right pair. That's the same thing I use whenever I am in relationships and I'm like, is this the guy I want to marry? No, okay, I guess I should leave. Is this the house that I want to be renting from for the next 5 years? No, this doesn't feel completely at home. It doesn't feel like a home. Sure, it's a house, it doesn't feel like home. You don't ever have to know specifically what you want. Life is so much more interesting when you kind of are just like, I know I want to feel this, but go ahead, universe, surprise me. Because you always get something better than what you expected. You don't have to have the right answer for everything, and you don't even have to have the right questions. You just tune into how you want to feel, and just trust that that feeling is going to help you make every decision, every step of the way. Just don't settle. Never settle. All good things, guys.